Hi there, good morning everyone from another freezing cold West Yorkshire. I hope that you're all okay today. Just going to try another upload today, a food review. And I bought this partially by mistake yesterday because I'd never seen one before. And it's a Jack's beef stew and dumplings. Tender slow-cooked beef with carrots, swede and onion in a rich gravy, served with sweet dumplings. £3.25. I got this in the Premier store, but what I didn't see, because I didn't have my glasses on, that Jack's is part of the Tesco family. And there we go. You can microwave it for 5 minutes, or you can cook it in the oven for 25 minutes, which I did. Always check that the food is piping hot. The ingredients are 24% beef, 20% dumplings, contains calcium carbonate, iron, niacin, thiamine, beef fat, raising agent, sodium bicarbonate, diphosphates, white pepper, 7% carrots, 5% swede, 5% there, red wine, beef stock, salt, tomato paste, molasses, lemon juice, onion powder, corn flour, Worcester sauce, tamarind paste, onion powder, garlic powder, concentrated lemon juice, clove powder, chilli powder, and there it is. There's 400 grams and the nutritional information is there should anyone wish to stop the video and take a look. So I've done it in the oven, as I say, and there it is. So we'll see what it's like. Don't really know what that. It looks like a swede to me, or maybe carrot, we'll see. To be honest, I don't know. Whatever it is has got a nice crunch to it. No, the actual flavour is undecipherable. Right, we'll try some of the beef, the slow cooked beef. Again, that's tasteless and very, very chewy. Humble opinions and all, I would say it hasn't been slow cooked for long enough. Oh dear. But the main issue for me is, again, a complete lack of flavour. Oh, I think that might be a carrot. There we go. It's impossible to tell. There's some of the sweet dumpling. That's got a nice consistency, but sadly once again, no flavour. It's amazing when you read the list of ingredients inside these that there's no taste. But knowing that it's part of the Tesco family, I shouldn't be surprised. So, back to the old salt. See if that improves it. All the vegetables in here are really hard. They're not cooked properly. The meat is tough. The salt has certainly lifted the flavours. And I have to say that had I seen it was a part of the Tesco family, I wouldn't have bought it. Note to self, always go out with your glasses. The saving grace of this meal is the dumplings. And now that I've put some salt on, you can actually taste them. Yeah. That meat is unbelievably tough. Oh dear. As I say, the best thing in it is the dumpling with the addition of salt. Another very bad product from the Tesco family. Totally tasteless muck. So, if you see any of these Jack's products, don't be fooled. It's just Tesco under another name. Would I buy it again? Definitely not. Is it worth, how much was it? I can't read now. See, need the glasses. Is it worth £3.35? No, not in my opinion. Once again, another product, massively underseasoned, massively undercooked. I'm not even going to score the beef and vegetables because they were terrible. I'll give it 3 out of 10, and that's simply for the dumplings and the packaging. Anyway folks, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and above all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please feel free to do so. It'll cost you absolutely nothing, and it helps the channel grow, become part of a bigger community. And on that note, my family and friends, I will say to you all as always, Namaste, and may your God go with you. Bye for now everyone.